Hey everyone, it is a Pixel fanboy Anshul talking about the Google Pixel 7a in another video, and this one over here might be the final video about the leaks and rumors on the Google Pixel 7a because we might see this smartphone just in a few days after release of this video over here. Now, as always with leaks, take everything with a grain of salt. But from what we have seen so far, from the trustworthy sources like Tom's Guide, GSM Arena, and much more, it looks like the Google Pixel 7 is going to be a pretty impressive device. First up, let's talk about the design on the Google Pixel 7. From the leaked images, we have seen that it looks like that the Google is sticking with their tried and true design language, and we have got some updates on this Google Pixel 7a this time around. We have got the clear back design with the same matte silver frame as the Google Pixel 7, the same glossy back which looks like glass but it is polycarbonate with a signature camera bump having two camera sensors on the back. Now the exciting part is that this smartphone will carry a lot of features from the Google Pixel 7, which means that the smartphone will look much more premium in comparison to the Google Pixel 6a which we saw in the past year. And according to the recent leaks and rumors, the Google Pixel 7a is expected to be available in a new sky blue color option. According to the SmartPix renders, the Google Pixel 7a would be roughly the same size as its predecessors, 6.0 into 2.87 into 0.35 inches in comparison to the Pixel 6a's 5.99 into 2.82 into 0.35 inches. But what's really exciting about the Google Pixel 7a is what is under the hood, and as the rumor says, the Google Pixel 7a will carry the same processor as the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro that we saw with the flagship lineup with the Google Pixel series last year. Now, we are talking about a top-of-the-line Tensor G2 processor and 8GB of RAM to keep everything running smoothly. It is an upgrade from the 6GB RAM from the Google Pixel 6a, and the hardware now comes with 128GB of internal storage. We have had some rumors that there could be a second option with 256GB on the Google Pixel 7a. We have some upgrades in the terms of modem as well. Now let us not forget about the display on the Google Pixel 7a. Now the Pixel 7 is expected to have a 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. That should make everything look super smooth and crisp. This can be confirmed by a leaked prototype that seems to confirm that the Pixel 7 will have a 90Hz display. Over in a Vietnamese Facebook group, a device allegedly an early version of the Google Pixel 7a leaked showing off the design and wonderfully enough a 90Hz options in the settings. We still get to see the chunky bezels on the Pixel 7a's front screen just like the Google Pixel 6a in the past. Also, we can't forget about the cameras on the Google Pixel 7 smartphones, right? The Pixel lineup has always been known for its impressive camera performance, and it looks like the 7a is going to continue with that tradition. We are hearing rumors of dual camera setup on the back with a 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel secondary ultra wide camera which is housing an IMX 7.2 camera sensor. There are also some new shade features from the Google Pixel regular series like the photo unblur feature, and the Google Pixel 7a may also introduce something like a video unblur feature as well. Now this is something that might or might not be true, but we are counting on it anyways. Now it may also be that the Google Pixel 7a will use the face unlock feature, a feature that was reintroduced on the Google Pixel 7 series after several years away from the Google Pixel devices. It is not as secure as something like Face ID, but it can prove a very useful one at the times when the in-display fingerprint sensor is not working correctly. The phone is also expected to have an IP67 dust and water resistance, so you do not have to worry about getting caught in the rain. And let's talk about the battery life on the Google Pixel 7a. According to recent leaks and rumors, the battery size on the Google Pixel 7a is expected to be around 4500 mAh. Now the Pixel 6a had a battery of 4410 mAh in the last year, and I was getting around 6 to 7 hours on screen on time. I won't say 7 hours, but about 6 hours on screen on time with a full day of browsing on my Google Pixel 6a last year. So I can expect some similar results with the Google Pixel 7a as well. and I just do not want Google to shorten, or I would say to reduce the battery capacity on the Google Pixel 7a this year around. Now, as for the pricing, according to the recent leaks and rumors, the price on the Google Pixel 7a is expected to be around $499, which is a USD in this standard. The Google Pixel 7a is set to hit the retailers approximately 1 week prior to the Google I/O 2023. Now, another leak suggests that the device will retail starting at $499 in the US, which will also be available in the store on May of 11. Now, this is about a $50 increase in price from the previous year, but we are getting a lot of features like a refined design, maybe wireless charging, better camera sensors, a better chipset, and so on. Also, a Reddit user testing Google Bard claims that the AI chatbot said that the Google Pixel 7a pre-orders would begin on July 20 with phones shipping in August 24. Now, this is something that may or may not be true though. We expect that the Google Pixel 7a devices will debut on May 10th, that is when the Google I/O 2023 kicks off, and as soon as the devices debut, we might see the pre-orders on their official websites. So there you have it, folks, everything that we know about the Google Pixel 7a that will be released on May 10th of the year 2023. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. That was me, Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.